Hello, everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone's having a blessed day today, and I'm hoping you will soon to have the rest of the week blessed. Okay, I will be reading a scripture today from Jeremiah 17:7. Blessed is the one that trusteth in the Lord, whose hope the Lord is. Blessed is the one that trusts in the Lord, and whose hope the Lord is. Jeremiah 17:7. Thank you so much for a reading of the word today. Okay, I'm getting ready to do oven neck bones, baked neck bones. And I washed them usually I wash them with salt and vinegar water. And I have them turned over now.
Yeah.
So now I'll be putting my gloves on.
Yeah, they're very clean. She got all that stuff out between the bones and everything.
And I'll be putting the ingredients on. And the ingredients that I'll be using: paprika, chestnut bay, and that garlic something right there. What is it?
She got granulated garlic. She got onion powder, Little Complete, and black pepper. And she's using this right here. The minced garlic and parsley by Badia. Hope I ain't said it wrong.
Okay. I'll be doing both sides. So I'm going to start with it.
No.
Okay. I'm going to start with my paprika. Chestnut bay, one of my chops is off of it, so I have to kind of go slow with that. Okay.
That's Chesapeake Bay, y'all.
A little bit more. Okay. Black pepper. Complete. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to put it, I've got to sneeze. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to do the same thing on this side. Let me take one of my gloves off, because I can hardly hold the bottom with the glove on. Paprika. Chesapeake Bay. All right. Garlic powder. Onion powder. A little black pepper. Okay. And complete. Okay. All right. Now, I'll be putting in my, what did I say? This was the minced garlic and parsley. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to be putting in my bell peppers and onions. Give me that other Coke. The Diet Coke. I'm putting some Coca-Cola around the side.
Okay, y'all. She used 1 can. She had the Diet Coke. That's what she used. She usually use the Coke.
Okay. Now it's ready for the oven, and it should be. I'm gonna cook it on 350 for about 1 hour and 20 minutes, and I'll be back when the hour and 20 minutes is up. Thank you, and I'll cover it up. Okay, I'm back. I am back. I'm back. I'm back. This is my final presentation of my oven baked neck bones. And they just look like they're off the chain. I know they are. And I'm going to do a taste test for you guys.
I don't eat pork, but they good. I taste the onions and the bell peppers. Oh my goodness. They taste like the meat. I know they're good.
I'm just going to get a little piece off. I didn't want to get a big one, so I'm just going to get a little one. Okay. The other one's got the other one hid. Okay. So.
Fall off the bones, y'all.
It is so delicious. You guys, it is totally delicious. It is so good. Just look at them. It's juicy and everything. When I say it's good, I'm not joking. It is delicious. And this is something that you can do if you're going to have guests in early before Thanksgiving, or you can add this to your Thanksgiving meal. Because everybody don't want turkey. Everybody don't want chicken. So people might like to have neck bones or stew meat or something of that sort.
Yeah,
if they do, you can add this to it. And it's so good. So they have a choice of whatever they want. But it is so good.
I'm not eating the actual.
You can't turn it down.
But I'm eating the onions and the bell peppers.
And I tell you, it is very good. The taste and flavor out.
Yeah, it
is so good.
Boy, the kids gonna tear this up.
You can't stop eating. So, I thank you all. And this can be an item that you all can add to your Thanksgiving meal or Christmas, or just for having someone over for dinner, and add some greens to it and cornbread and whatever else you like to have for a meal. But I thank you all so much, and I hope you will take a chance on this video and check it out and maybe use it to your best ability. Thank you so much. Goodbye. This is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you. I always say I appreciate all of my subscribers, all of my members, all the new ones that's coming in, all of my old supporters, and all the ones who have been with me for almost 3 years. I appreciate you all so much, and I love you to the bottom of my heart. May God bless you all. Good day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Love to you to the next video. Bye-bye.